So you guys, I just wanted to come to you guys and show you what we decided to do with our patio slash balcony. We decided to add some stuff and just make it real comfortable and cozy for us and the kids. You know, with everything going on with COVID this summer, I know we're going to be at home more than we usually would and not vacationing as much. So we want to be able to be outside and just have fun and at home and things like that. So I just wanted to show you guys, we're going to be adding some more stuff to this patio, but I wanted to show you what we had so far. So you know, just keep watching. There's more to come.
We should be closer friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda.
It's a video.
Press my chariot, get ya. The doors OPN. Take the high road and hop in. First impression. You OPN. We should be closer friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors OPN. Take that high road and hop in.
Wait, let me get my shit.
First impression. You OPN. We should be closer friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors OPN. Take that high road and hop in.
I should have been a killer, cause I'm doing this a rule. I'm a different type of dude, man. I stick to the rule. Real nigga, best believe me. I live it and I breathe it. I tell it like it is and I call it how. My pride used to be sharp, but now he don't see me.
I'm trying to put you broken up. Make sure that she's real. She's in the way she's approaching us. It's a song, yeah. It's fun, yeah. Go, yeah. She said that she's the only guy. And it's all you want, baby, yeah. We should be closer friends. Here's my request my chariot, get ya. The doors OPN. Take that high road and hop in. Open up, open up.
Where's the coffee?
Oh, yeah. Open up, open up, open, open. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors OPN. Take that high road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a puppy. Open up, tear you out for a puppy. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engage and be on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The doors OPN. Take that high road and come in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a magnet. Open up, open up, open. Call it license, call. Open up.
Going on a trip. No, we're not going on a trip. We're just about to go fishing, guys. There's not much else to do these days, so we're about to go to the park. It was so hot today. It was like 86. The sun just went down. So now we are, like I said, about to go fishing. Get it in just real quick. Nothing major. I was gonna bring me some wine, but I didn't. Yeah. You need to lock it? Yeah. Yeah. What, you got the keys? Yeah, lock it. But anyways, don't pay attention to this big ugly bump on my face. It's so huge and red and gross, but yeah. So it's just me, the twins, my husband, who is, I don't know what he getting. Hopefully he getting my chair because I need to be sitting down. And my son Jaden. And that's it. Get out the house, enjoy this nice day. Tomorrow is it Memorial Day? Or is it Labor Day? I think it's Memorial Day. I always get Memorial Day, Labor Day mixed up. I think Labor Day is in September. It's Memorial Day. Yes, it is. Okay. Tomorrow's Memorial Day, but it's supposed to rain all day tomorrow. So that's why we just gonna get out today and enjoy ourselves a little bit. We should have been out the house, but we was trying to wait for the sun to go down, and I feel like now we're just leaving late because we're gonna have our ride to this fishing spot we're going to is at least 20 minutes. So, hubby. Fishing lessons. Nothing? No action? Jaden, why you ain't popping? Why you ain't popping yet?
Because I want to see
Huh?
if she even gonna
You about to see if they biting? If they biting. Huh?
watch my line go all the way down there for no reason.
Yeah, the current is moving. So we might have to switch spots. See how the water moves? So I'm just sitting here chilling. Y'all look a mess. Like, we really are out here fishing. So, well, they mostly fishing. I'm chilling. But, so they went down the other way to see if they can get some bites because the water moving too much right here. But I just be chilling. When we come out here, I'll be on my book, reading a book, or I meant to bring my nail stuff so I could do my nails and I didn't. But, you know, We're gonna be doing a lot of stuff like this year because there's nothing else to do because of COVID-19. This is the way we can get out the house but still social distance. So, oh, I look a mess. I'm so sorry. But usually I like pack us like a whole lunch, picnic and stuff. But this was kind of like a last minute thing because we were supposed to come out earlier and it was so hot. So we decided not to come. Now it's getting late. We waited too late to get out. I was at home doing other stuff, working and stuff. Sometimes I have to work from home. What? You said what?
I don't have a pole, so never mind.
Oh, well get a pole and then I'll get you. Get y'all. We about to switch spots because the water moving too much. And it's moving less down the way. So now we gotta squeeze into this extra small glove.
You ain't about it. You ain't gonna take it out.
Let me see how big, let me get how big the fish is.
You got it, man.
Exactly.
That's kind of big.
My bad.
So far, that's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We ain't playing no games out here. Come out here and rack them in. You don't want to take it off?
You ain't got to.
You take them off any other time.
I just don't want to get dirty.
Oh my goodness, it's over. You wasting all the gloves.
My hands are too big. Go. Let me see.
His hands are bigger. They're like the same size.
Remember when I made that? What's the name? I got that. What?
No fish off the hook. No sir.
What if I just take it?
What's the point?
Wait, remember when he said we have to catch like 30-some fish to get it? Yeah.
You have to catch how many fish?
We were on the boat and he was like, you guys have to catch
This many fish to get in the
30
had,
fish?
Yeah, we had like that Barbie pole for like years.
Yeah, nice. Let it be still. It's moving too much.
Yeah, I can.
She got a nice one. Big boy. Congrats.
Thank you.
Don't jump back in.
It fell off.
Biggest catch of the night goes to John Dea so far. Jada B. Biggest catch of the night go to Jada B. Keep jumping off.
The mouth ripped.
Oh, it did. Another speck, another big boy. Jada, you got some action?
Another speck.
Okay.
Oh man.
Ain't no speck. Nice, big boy. Nice.
I'm trying to be laying it in my hand like that.
You trying to palm it? Show him how to do it. So he don't get poked.
But this, he swallowed it, so this one,
He swallowed the hook. He poked you?
No.
Why you throw it back? He was too little?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
So they real bony.
Are
But
they?
they are, this is a,
It tastes good?
yes.
That's not a keeper.
No, you can't keep it. It's too
Aww.
small. But these are like the
I'm gonna
most
touch it.
most expensive fish in the store.
Is it?
Lake perch,
Look at the belly all yellow, red,
It's a
or
lake
red
perch.
or something.
Nice.
Lake perch.
It's pretty cool.
You gotta take it out. I mean,
You gotta throw it back. Aw. Oh! Let me get away, cause that
Yeah.
ain't finna stab me. Or have that fish flop on me, whatever.
He was a cute, a big boy though.
If it was big, we could keep it.
What you do? No, send him back. Send him back. Tell his daddy what you did to him.
Girl, look, you got.
I'm sorry.
Flinging that way. Flinging that worm in my face. Gotta be careful around these people. It's dangerous. Swinging a hook and a worm in my face. Look at the pretty lights under the bridge. Turning colors. Nice. Do it. I give you $10.
$10 if I take the fish off.
Yeah.
What? What? I don't like what?
Oh, don't do it. You think I should give him?
This
Why?
is the first fish I take off.
I give you 10. Take that boy off. 10.
Yeah.
10.
You give us our 5.
Come on.
Take it off?
Huh?
Alright, I'll take it.
Yeah, you gotta take it off. 10. I'll give you 10 for it.
Go right.
Oh, you cheating though, Jaden, because you trying to take it off with your foot.
Hey, come on. This dude take it off with
With his boots. Come on, you don't want that crispy 10? I know y'all will do it. It's not a challenge. I want Jaden to do it.
This dude is hot.
How is it hot? It's hot?
This dude is hot.
Ugh. Come on, Jaden. Huh? You said that's pocket money?
If fish didn't have pokey things, I'd
Jaden, you don't want that bread, man? You don't want the bread?
I need like some.
I give you 20. Psych. I ain't giving you 20. Another big boy. Jaden, you've been fishing all your life. Literally. This is what we do since day one.
Awesome.
And you still don't want to take yours off.
No, you can't. If you don't want to get
Show him how to take it off. Show him how to take it off and then you take yours off, Jaden.
like,
But I don't like the way you do it. I like the way Dad do it.
How he do?
Right in his hand and then
Oh, he hold it like this? Like grip it like that?
cuff on, and then he just take it
should I
off.
throw this back?
Ask your dad.
Yeah.
If he start moving around, you know.
Let me start it.
Come on, man. You playing games.
Never go do it that way. Like,
Come on, Jaden. You playing games.
oh,
No, let me take it out. Let me take it out. Alright, spin this way, dude.
well, grab it like me and then.
And then do that.
Like
yep,
that.
yep.
I just seen the slime.
It is.
What? Almost. That's a little one.
No, it ain't. Look at it.
Come
How
on.
would you get up and catch some?
Huh?
It's about time for you to catch some.
Yeah, I ain't threw the pole in yet. I'm gonna throw it in actually. Soon as
Hurry up and throw
soon
that
as
back
Jaden
out
take
there.
this fish off,
That
I'm gonna
ain't
throw
even
the
a
pole in.
keeper.
I just want him to take it off.
Dad,
I don't
is
care
this
if
a
it's a
keeper?
keeper or not.
No. I know that.
Fish probably talking to me like, come on, man.
Exactly, you can't breathe.
Yeah, you finna suffocate, especially if you gotta throw it back. He at least need to survive and live another however long he can live until he get big enough to get caught.
That was close.
Please me, mama.
Jaden playing with the fish now, torture.
Well, you
He got
don't
it.
do it like that.
Yeah, that's how your dad do it. That's how your dad do it. Yeah.
You could have been got it off if you just did it not.
Me and him squeezing. Got him.
Oh man, I owe you 10. Really? I ain't got it. What?
Don't catch it.
I ain't got it. I ain't got it. I keep giving him 10 every time he take a fish off. That was a one-time deal. Got me messed up. No, sir.